Today is Monday, the 21st, August 21st, and I'm going to be playing Summer by Vivaldi.
But there's a little thing about this. She just gave it to you
4 days ago.
4 days ago.
So it's going to be kind of hard.
And we're only doing which movements?
The first and second.
First, second, and I think you're going to do part of third. I don't know. But it's just something, it's a fun song, and he's just starting to learn it, and it's a little tough. It's a little tough. All right, go ahead. That's pretty good. That was hard, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Now, we got to tell them a little bit about this version now, because this was edited by somebody, and I can't remember his name, Jenkins. It was edited by a man by the name of Jenkins, but the original, this isn't really the Summer that everybody knows by Vivaldi. This is originally called what?
Thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms. That's why it sounds different, but it sounds like Summer at the end when you did the part of the third movement.
Yeah, like the third movement sounds like not like waves.
Like show
Leaves.
me, yeah, show us what the part that we're familiar with. Sound. Yeah, yeah, that's the one everybody's familiar with.
Mm-hmm. Sounds like leaves falling off
It
trees.
does.
Yeah.
Or even like lightning and thunder.
Yeah.
All right.
Sayonara. Sign off.
Sign off.